Alright, let's turn a high turtleneck into a lower, more relaxed neckline, without cutting the fabric and without ruining the sweater. This method is simple, clean, and keeps the whole look modern and stylish. First, decide how low you want the new neckline to be. Whatever length you choose, the knit will stretch and shape right along with it. Then use an overlock style stitch, moving through the knit holes and working your way forward. Next, start from the left side and stitch toward the right, sliding through each knit opening as you go. Then switch directions, coming back from right to left. You're basically weaving through those knit holes, moving back and forth at a slight angle so the edge stays smooth. Each time you move forward, make sure one side sits just a little higher than the other. This is what gives the neckline a clean, flexible finish. You'll notice both sides create a double layer. On the left side, stitch through both layers, and on the right, stitch only through the top layer. Lift that hollow row and connect it gently. This creates great stretch and keeps everything comfortable. And the best part? You can use this exact method on sleeves, necklines, or even the hem of a sweater. When you're done, the edge forms a subtle little trim that looks neat, polished, and surprisingly stylish.